to tomorrow, and for much of the country, for much of the day, it's dry, sunny and warm. But around the coast, you can see, once again, areas of cloud. That should burn away through the course of the day, but
for some it will linger.
Tomorrow, as I say, is fine, set fair. And in the west, temperatures 20 or 21 degrees, the odd 22 potentially.
Hi folks, Stevie here. So today we're heading out to the Isle of Bute. I had hoped for better weather, but let's see how things pan out. A Calmac ferry runs from Wemyss Bay to Rothesay. A bike and rider is £9.70 each way. There's no saving to be made in purchasing a return ticket for this crossing. There's a ferry roughly every hour and it's a 35-minute crossing. Thank you. So the ferry brings you into the centre of the biggest town, Rothesay. Although it's considerably larger, Rothesay has a lot of similarities to Millport and Great Cumbria in that it was a popular holiday destination for Scots from the early 1900s through to the 1970s. The main visitors attraction is Rothesay Castle, which dates back to the 13th century. The original curtain walls of the castle is 42 metres in diameter and it stands 8 metres tall. The 4 round towers and gatehouse were added in the 15th century to provide comfort and improve the defences. The rectangular structure within the castle wall is a small chapel that was constructed in the 16th century. Sadly, it's been closed to visitors since June 2021, but it's expected to reopen soon. Right, we're here to ride the bike. Let's get rolling and head to the south of the island. This is a serpentine road that climbs Canada Hill. How could any biker resist riding this? Prehistoric sites down this road for those that dig that sort of thing. Just to our left there's the Black Park standing stones, but there's no lot of information about what these represent. After another mile or so on the right you'll find the Donegal vitrified fort, an Iron Age defensive settlement, the rock being fused by intense heat directly in the ground. On a nicer day I'd love to spend a bit more time here. was going to take the 1.5 mile walk down to Wemyss Bay, fly the drone round the lighthouse. But look at the state of the place, that sea har's come in heavy. I'm not going to see anything. I'm going to head back to Rothesay, get some supplies in, and then go find somewhere to camp. So this is more like it, this is what we're after. As I travelled north back to Rothesay, that sea har burned off. It's a much nicer day. I've got some supplies from the cove. I'm about to head up to Etrick Bay, hopefully be able to wild camp up there. Largest island in the Firth of Clyde. It's about 15 miles long, 5 miles wide, and it's home to about 6,500 people. So the main form of employment on the island, again, is agriculture and hospitality, but there's a rising economy in boutique fine foods, and there's 2 boatyards and 2 marinas. Gutted, that bloody har's coming in again. We're just coming up to Etrick Bay just now. We're just in here. This will do me here. There's a wee fire pit there already. I'll make sure that I leave that tidier than I found it. What a strange day. I've not been able to shake this sea har all day. A couple of times a day it burned itself out, but it was back within about 45 minutes. It's not in the slightest bit wet, it just looks miserable. And everything's better when you've got a blue sky and a bit of sunshine. Keep watching, I'm not done with the island yet. I've got one more thing to show you in the morning. So as usual, leave no trace. Leave the place as you found it. So anyway, all good. Nothing left lying about. I can get on the road. So it's the last leg of the journey now. We're going to head up to the northeast corner of the island and get a ferry from Rothesay. Isle of Bute gives you quick and easy access to no less than 7 further ferries.
Now, most bikers tend to pass through the Isle of Bute. We quite often get off the ferry at Rothesay and go straight up to Rubodach to get the ferry to Colin.
Rothesay, Colin, Dunoon, Gourock is a very popular sunny day local circuit for bikers from the west coast of Scotland. With a little more time you can push down to Portavadie, catch the ferry to Tarbert, which opens up the Kintyre Peninsula. From there, you're only a few miles to ferries to Isla and Gia, or you can jump across to Lochranza on Arran and return to the mainland on the Brodick-Ardrossan service.
I'm going to take a scenic route home, get the ferry to Colin, across the Dunoon and then back home to Glasgow. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can help the channel to grow by hitting the subscribe button. Thanks very much for watching.